How to deactivate an Instagram account. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open Instagram on your phone. Then you want to go to your profile, that is in the bottom right corner, and then you want to tap on three horizontal lines on the top right corner, then tap on settings. Here you want to go to the search bar and search for delete account. Here tap on deactivate account to deactivate your Instagram account. Now a pop-up will appear by a different browser. Here you have to enter the reason for why are you deactivating your account. Select the reason. After that you want to scroll down and you want to tap on automatically reactivate my account. You can select your date. Now enter your password. That should be correct. After you're done, you want to scroll down and tap on temporarily deactivate account, then tap on yes. And that is how you can deactivate an Instagram account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.